Title: Mutual Funds for Beginners 2025. Get rich or just richer. Alright, folks, listen up. You wanna invest in mutual funds, but your brain is like, bro, what even is that? A fund for mutuals on Twitter. Relax, I am here to break it down without making your brain overheat like a cheap laptop. Step 1. What are mutual funds? Imagine a pizza. You don't buy the whole thing. You and your broke friends share slices. That's mutual funds. A bunch of people put money together. A professional fund manager takes it and boom, invest in different stocks. But don't worry, this fund manager is not your cousin who says, trust me, bro, Bitcoin is the future. Second step, types of mutual funds for beginners 2025 edition. Picking the right mutual fund is like dating, choose wisely or you will regret it later. Index funds. The chill one, there are like autopilot flights, no stress, no drama, just steady. Long term gains, even Warren Buffett loves this. Growth funds, the risky rock star. They grow fast but also fall fast, like your gym motivation after 3 days. Dividend funds, the sugar daddy, they pay you regularly, Kindle like an allowance, perfect for those who love passive income buzzwords. How much money do you need to start? Bro, you don't need millions. Some funds let you start with just $50 or $100. That's less than a weekend of Starbucks addiction. Why to invest? Apps like Vanguard, Fidelity, and SegWeb are your new BWS, not your sketchy neighbor who says, I have a guaranteed scheme. Final pro tip, start now. Mutual funds are slow and steady wealth builders, so stop waiting for the perfect time. Alright, smash that like button if you are found this useful and subscribe if you wanna stop being broke. Thanks for watching this video.